company, we know that. So we are going to see regarding the recruitment news from Nokia. Okay. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. So let us see the post names, the details and all. Okay. First post name is FM Engineer Core. The location of job is Chennai, Tamil Nadu is a location of job. The area is customer services, and the area that is it is mainly related with there is a technology they are focusing on is CNS cloud and network services. Okay, that is, it is cloud related job. Now moving on to the details of job description: fault management, configuration of core, PACO network and IP MPLS network. So this is a network or a networking related job mainly. Okay. Also, they have given the job responsibilities and competencies. The candidate should be fluent in various voice signaling protocols. The protocols also they have given. This is networking protocols. Okay. Fault management of any two of these platforms. Then troubleshooting fault, diagnosing and resolution of faults, means error correction, error detection and all. Okay. Then responsible for outage management process, scheduling technical calls, active management, notification and escalation process. So this is actually related to the that is the support kind of a job. Okay. Then emergency handling and chronology preparation, team management trainings, hand-holding of skills for development of L2 team, L2 support. Okay. Technical discussion and outage recovery and providing root cause analysis. So they have given a very detailed description about the job. Okay. So this is actually related to support, and also you will be dealing with networking technologies mainly. Okay. And the qualifications they have asked is BE electronics and telecommunication or equivalent. Equivalent means electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, and probably EEE can also apply, and computer science candidates can also try for this. Okay. So networking is the area of job, and the qualification they have asked is BE in telecommunication. Okay. So that is the qualification they have asked. So there is no experience requirement. So this is the first post. Second one is, first post name is FM Engineer Core. Okay. And the location is Chennai. Next, second job is FM Specialist Core, and it is on the same location itself. Chennai, Tamil Nadu is the location of job. Actually, I get a lot of comments regarding job updates in Chennai or Tamil Nadu location. So here it is. This is on, both the jobs are in Chennai location itself. Okay. Now talking about the area, it is again customer services and cloud computing and networking. Okay. Now this is more related to cloud computing. The job description also they have given here: fault management and configuration. Okay, it is similar kind of job itself, but they have asked some different things here in this job responsibilities and competencies. So mainly it is they are asking the networking, the proxy configuration and routing, IP routing and forwarding, bridge handling, bridge ethics, and very good communication skills. So these areas are actually similar. Okay, fault management and configuration of core, PACO network, IP, MPLS network. So both the jobs we have discussed in this video are related to cloud computing and networking. Networking plus cloud computing is the area of job. Okay. Now the qualification they have asked is BTech in electronics and telecommunication or equivalent. Here also the same qualification they have asked. So clearly you can see that they are not asking any experience or anything. They are just asking some knowledge. Actually, they have not asked for knowledge also, but they have given that this will be the job that you will be doing. Okay, so if you have some knowledge in working with these areas or these skills, if you have, then it will be an advantage. Okay, so actually we have seen two job updates. First post name is FM Specialist Core, and second one is FM Engineer Core. Okay, so I'll be giving both the links separately in the description, so you can apply for whichever you want. Okay, both jobs are in Chennai or Tamil Nadu. So the location also we have seen. Now, in order to apply for this job, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon called apply for job. For both the cases, there will be icons and it will get redirected. So first there is a privacy statement. Then you have to click on I acknowledge. So it will move to a application form. First you have to log in. You can either register or you can use LinkedIn. Okay. So either option you can go for and you can apply. Okay. So that is the way you have to apply. And also for this job, here also you can see an apply for job icon. Okay. So that is the procedure for application. Now talking about the selection process, this is clearly a fresher recruitment. There is no experience, nothing about experience they have mentioned here. So if you are a fresher also you can apply, but you should be very strong in cloud computing and networking. Okay, networking very much, networking knowledge they are asking very much. Okay, so if you have a very good background in networking and cloud computing, if you have ideas, then you can surely try for this job. And talking about the selection process, there will be 3 stages of selection. Technical test will be there, aptitude, reasoning, all those areas they'll be covering. Also, you have to prepare the basics of cloud computing and also networking protocols, routing, switching, all these things you have to cover. Then there will be technical interview. Then there will be group discussions also. After the group discussions, there will be technical interview and HR interview. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process since this is a fresher recruitment. Now, you can clearly see that this is a fresher recruitment because after posting the video, some people do comment regarding they're asking experience. So if they're asking experience, you can put it as either 0 or nil. Okay, because they have mentioned nothing regarding the experience here. Okay, so that's all about the job update from Nokia. There will be 2 links in this description. You can apply for whichever you want. So that's all about Nokia recruitments. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Another thing I want to tell you is that here there is no age limit. Also, they have not asked for any particular year of pass out also. And another very, very important thing, last day they have not mentioned. So I won't be able to post the last date, or I won't be able to discuss about the last date. But you have to apply for it as soon as you are seeing the video. The link will be in the description. Just click on it and apply. Okay. So that will be the best thing you can do. Okay. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.
Ready to let go.